Good morning to you. Oh, my baby, you came to show me your baby. Oh my goodness. That's beautiful. Thank you so much. Oh, she's so cute. It's okay. It's okay. She might not be able to get through there. Oh, look at that. That's so cute. Oh, she's so beautiful. It's okay. I'm not going to hurt her. Oh, boy. Thank you. Oh, I'll show the world this today. She's so cute. Look at all the spots on her. How close will she let me get? Mama, you gonna protect her? She doesn't look like she's ready to climb over that thing. She looks like she was just born. Mama, you come and take care of your baby. I'm gonna leave you be, okay?